In this video, I'll detail how to enable hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max or iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on hotspot on your device. So there are two ways to do this. The first method to enable hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max is go to your iPhone settings. So while on the settings page, make sure you turn on cellular data or mobile data. So first, you just need to go ahead and turn on mobile data here. Then after that, you can come to personal hotspot on the settings page and make sure you turn on allow others to join. So this is going to turn on your personal hotspot on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then another way you can use to turn on personal hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max is click on mobile service, then locate personal hotspot under mobile data options and click on that. Then again, you can just go ahead and turn on allow others to join here to enable personal hotspot on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then at the same time, if you don't want to access the settings to turn on your personal hotspot on your iPhone 12, just scroll down from the top right. Then make sure you enable mobile data or cellular data. If you're using iOS 18, it is cellular data. And if you are using iOS 17.5, it is mobile data. So on iOS 18, make sure you turn on cellular data. And after that, click on this connectivity menu. Or if you've added personal hotspot to your iPhone, you should see personal hotspot like this. Otherwise, click on connectivity menu like this, and then come down here and tap personal hotspot. You see, personal hotspot is not enabled, then personal hotspot is enabled. So the moment you disable personal hotspot, you should see your personal hotspot off here, and the moment you turn on personal hotspot here, you should see the personal hotspot enabled. So all other available devices can now connect to your iPhone 12 Pro Max personal hotspot. So this I can easily turn on personal hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.